past years, my whānau and I have been introduced into kaupapa Māori whānaus. One of the programs that I have been inspired by is a program called E Tū Whānau. E Tū Whānau has been a major impact on me because not that it just helped me, it also found who I truly was. During this program, it was mainly about how to decrease violence against whānau and using tikanga and traditional Māori values to help, such as whakapapa, aroha, manaakitanga, tikanga, kōrero awhi, and whanaungatanga. So at this program, I was mainly here to develop confidence and to get a better understanding of what to be a Māori. But at the end, I ended up finding my true self by using our Māori herbs and silence. So now I'd like to say what the values mean to me. Aroha. Aroha is about showing affection and appreciation of other whānau members without reserve. Kōrero awhi. Kōrero awhi is about being able to communicate clearly, positively, and compassionately, both verbally and non-verbally. Whakapapa. Whakapapa is an unbreakable web that connects whānau to the very first human being and beyond that to all creations of things. Whanaungatanga. Whanaungatanga considers the extent to which whānau will go to support each other. Manaakitanga. Manaakitanga is about upholding people's dignity and giving of himself to others. Tikanga. Tikanga is concerned with the safety and the protection of the whānau. So everything I have just covered is what Te Reo Māori means to me. And when I learn Te Reo Māori, I learn about